look around, tell me what you see. People glued to their screens, they ain't really free. Scrolling through their lives, not a moment to breathe. Chasing likes and follows, yeah, that's the new creed. We're living in a filter where the truth is a game. Everyone's a star, but it all feels the same. Fake smiles and hashtags, it's a digital show. But deep down inside, man, do we even know? We're lost in the noise, can't hear our own voice. Living for the clicks, but we don't have a choice. Caught up in the rush, chasing shadows and dust. In a world full of noise, who do we trust? Hey. Walking down the street, heads down, eyes dim, lost in our thoughts, feeling kinda grim. Politicians talking, but they don't hear a thing. Promising fake dreams, it's a hell of a swing. We're drowning in the chaos, can't find solid ground. While the rich get richer, we're just spinning around. They sell us the dream, but it's a one-way ride. In this concrete jungle, where do we hide? We're lost in the noise, can't hear our own voice. Living for the clicks, but we don't have a choice. Caught up in the rush, chasing shadows and dust. In a world full of noise, who do we trust? The cycle, let's turn it around. Find the real connections, let love be the sound. Put down the phones, let's live